Hi, guys.
And we're going to have a little fun today.
I feel like we're in for something really good. I love cheese.
These guys are smooth.
I don't believe in anybody.
Let's do it.
Hi, guys. This is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike.
And we're here with a suggestion for one of our Patreon subscribers. Kari has suggested this band called SEAGULLS doing a cover of
It's a classy logo.
Yeah, it is a very classy logo. Doing a cover of AC/DC's song Thunderstruck, which is absolutely my favorite AC/DC song ever. But I do have to confess, from looking at the thumbnail of this video, I think it's possible that I have seen this before. There is banjos. And I do love banjos.
Even with a banjo, this is such a good song. So unless you play that banjo well, you're going to have a good time.
Well, if it's the one that I've seen before, then it's fabulous. So I'll be happy to share. I could be wrong. It could be a different one.
Ginger and I have different biases about the banjo. Hers is for, mine's against.
What the hell is wrong with you?
It's no cello. It's no tubular bell. You know? It's no timpani.
Excuse me. The banjo is a very good instrument.
See? Like
Okay?
I said,
it only gets better if you add an accordion.
like I said, we have different biases. But
One of
I
us
can
is
see I can
right.
see a banjo doing this song being fun.
And one of us is wrong.
Oh. We're just going to start the video.
These guys are my people. That dude right there is definitely my people. Oh, he's got an accordion! You gotta have some respect. That's gotta be tough.
Yeah.
There's spoons in there. I hear them. Yeah, there they are.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. Moved around, and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced, and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went through the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
It's a classy hat.
Thunderstruck. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? You've been thunderstruck. 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 Say yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Oh, Thunderstruck. 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 You've been thunderstruck.
You know, it's a classic when there's an anvil and spoons.
So I have seen that one before.
I think
And
I
have
may have a
always
long
loved
time
it.
ago.
Yeah. So it's going to be hard for some people to believe, but the truth of the matter is, even though it's a little deceptive, I had a whole pile of redneck in me. Like,
Yeah, the northern redneck.
it's true. It's true. It's not outside of the realm of possibility to catch me in overalls and muddy rubber boots and digging up the yard for some cause or other.
The main difference between the northern redneck and the southern redneck is that in January, southern redneck's still on his ATV. The northern redneck is on a snowmobile.
And also in January, I'm wearing a shirt and he's not.
Maybe even a coat.
Yeah. That was so good though. I always really I've seen a couple, I think, from those guys where they redid other songs in this sort of hillbilly way, and I love it. I think it's so cool when they take other things and make instruments out of them. I think it's really creative.
Well, I just heard that accordion and thought, why didn't Weird Al do this? That man loves him some accordion.
I know, but he would have had to change the words.
That's true.
I don't know. Did he do a parody of Thunderstruck?
Not that I'm aware of,
surprise me.
but it wouldn't surprise me.
He really should
And the
get
other
on
thing
that.
I thought with that accordion, you know, my dad has not a musical bone in his body.
Indeed.
He took accordion lessons as a kid
No.
briefly. I don't know how long
Really?
it lasted. It probably wasn't very long
Oh wow.
because he
And
makes me look like Mozart.
Oh, that's true.
Sorry, Dad, if you're watching, but it's true.
Oh well, when I was a kid, I knew one kid who was taking accordion lessons, but his family was from Australia, and I think it's a thing there. Like I think the Australian peeps can let me know, but I'm pretty sure accordion lessons are a pretty common thing in Australia. I couldn't tell you why.
My grandmother was just a fan of Lawrence Welk. Try to make little Ronnie into the next Lawrence Welk.
Oh yeah,
Didn't work.
That's really something. Anyway, yeah, no, I love the accordion and I love the banjo. And it's nice to add in an anvil and a pair of spoons. Sure, why not? And a standing bass. Heck, why not?
Right.
I don't know where that came from. It sounded great though.
Mm-hmm.
I do love those guys. So, Kari, thank you for the suggestion. Even though I had seen it already before, it's been a long time. It's
Yeah,
always
I
nice
forgot
to
all
revisit
about
the
it.
good stuff. Anyway, hopefully you all enjoyed that enough. You're going to want to put on some overalls, take out the anvil and the spoons, and play it again. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You can find us on Twitter. We are at PlayItAgainMG. And thanks for coming out, guys.